Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Nova 13. Begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Huawei. Then download the same app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now you need to set it up. Let's start with an Android. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's display. Lastly, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and go into Huawei. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then receive right next to Send and wherever you want to in 2 pop-ups. Finally, you can go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait for your transfer to finish. If something like that happens, you need to wait and you can click a couple of times to speed up the process. And then hit here to see if all of your files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!